Hey everyone! Experiencing any color issues on your Google TV can be frustrating, right? Well, today we're diving into how to fix color on Google TV to ensure vibrant and crisp visuals every time you kick back for a movie night or gaming session. With just a few tweaks and adjustments, you can enhance your viewing experience and get the most out of your Google TV. Step 1. Check and adjust the HDMI connection. The first step in tackling color issues is to ensure your HDMI connections are secure. A loose or faulty HDMI cable can result in distorted or washed out colors. Begin by unplugging and reinserting all HDMI cables in your setup. If the problem persists, consider using a different HDMI cable or port to rule out any issues with the cable or specific port. Step 2. Calibrate picture settings. Next, let's look at your picture settings. Access your Google TV settings menu by pressing the gear icon on your remote. Navigate to Display and Sound, then Picture. From here, you can adjust various settings like brightness, contrast, and color. Utilize the preset modes such as Cinema, Standard, or Vivid to quickly change the overall picture quality. For more precise control, adjust the color temperature and tint until you reach a balance that looks natural to you. Step 3. Reduce factory setting enhancement. Sometimes factory picture enhancements can lead to overly sharp or unnatural colors. Within the picture settings, look for options like motion enhancement or advanced color mapping. Test these settings by turning them off or lowering their intensity. This can help achieve a more authentic look by reducing unnecessary processing that may skew color balance. Step 4. Update your Google TV firmware. Google frequently rolls out updates to improve system performance and fix bugs, including those affecting picture quality. Go to the Settings menu, navigate to System, then click on About and select Software Update. Ensure your Google TV is running on the latest firmware. An update might provide improved color accuracy and overall picture quality. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If none of the above steps resolve the color issue, performing a factory reset can be your last resort. This will restore your TV to its original settings, eliminating any custom settings or downloaded apps. Go to Settings, choose System, and then select Reset. Remember to back up essential data, as this process will erase all personal configurations and downloaded applications. And there you have it. How to fix color on Google TV. Whether it's securing your HDMI connections, fiddling with settings, or updating your firmware, you now have a comprehensive toolkit to regain those dazzling visuals. Remember, the goal is to enhance your viewing pleasure without compromising the natural look of the content you love. Give these tips a try, and you'll be back to enjoying vibrant displays of color in no time. Happy viewing, and don't forget to share this guide with anyone else experiencing color issues on their Google TV. See you next time.